Okay, we have an ACER 3-axis CNC bed type milling machine, model BED-1054, serial number N13010037. This machine was new in 2013 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has an ACU-RITE mill power control. Right now he's running the Y-axis. You have 20 inches of Y, 31.5 inches of X, and 20.87 of Z. The machine has a large table, 10 by 54 T-slotted. That's your X-axis. Again, both those axes are very quiet. And that's your Z, which is also quiet. You have a Cat 40 spindle with a power drawbar. When he moves the quill, the control does the math. So when you move the entire head up or down, or you move the quill, it changes the Z number. Machine has a variable frequency drive. It's a 5 horsepower motor. That's 1500 RPM. 2500. Goes up to 3700 RPM. It's going into the low range. 150. So you see the high range and the low range. In both ranges it does variate. 300 RPM. Okay. This machine's original paint. It's very nice. You have a power drawbar, coolant system, automatic lubrication system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.